Hi everyone, Duane here with Excel Quick Tips. Today we're looking at absolute and relative references. The first reference type we're going to look at is relative. In E6 I'm typing in a formula here equals C6 multiplied by D6. So we're multiplying the sale price by the units sold. I'm clicking in that cell, I'm picking up the autofill handle and filling it down. Now the autofill is a copy tool, but it doesn't copy the exact formula all the way down. It's copying a reference to the first formula. The first one, I'm hitting F2 to activate it, says C6 times D6. The next one says C7 times D7, then D8 times C8. So not the exact formula, but a reference to that formula. So this one looks at these, this one looks at these, this one looks at these, and so on. This is a relative reference. If it was an exact reference, it would be 13, 39, 20 all the way down, but it's a relative reference. That's what it's all about. We're now looking at absolute references. In this cell here, I'm putting in a formula that will multiply the revenue by the tax rate. I'm hitting enter, going to the cell, picking up the autofill handle, filling it down, and we see we're having problems. The first cell, C15 times D12, that's fine. It's all relative. Go to the next one. It's C16 times D13. There's nothing in D13. The next cell down is D14, and that shows a value error because you can't multiply text with numbers. So I need to make a change to that cell. I'm going back to it, hitting F2 to activate the cell. Cursor's flashing on the D12 reference. I'm going to hit the F4 key on the keyboard. If it's a laptop, it would be FN F4. Anyway, it puts dollar signs around the column reference and the row reference, and it makes it absolute. If I hit enter now, go back to that cell and fill it down, it's all correct because the first one is C15 times D12. The next one is C16 times D12. So D12 stays in the formula all the way down. That's what an absolute reference is. Well, that's absolute and relative references. If you liked it, please give it a like and maybe subscribe. If you have a question on that, you can contact me on info@projectexcel.com.au. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.